Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Windows KB505 error code, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to the search bar and just go ahead and type in settings. Once settings is open, you want to make your way over to system, and then from system you want to go over to troubleshooting. From troubleshoot you want to make your way over to other troubleshooters, and then from here you want to look for Windows Update and you want to hit run. Now once that's done troubleshooting, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and restart your PC. Once you restart your PC, you can go ahead and check to see if that helps fix the issue, because that should help fix the issue once the troubleshooting is done. But other than that, the second method you guys can try doing is X out of settings. Once you're done with that, you can make your way over to the search bar again and go ahead and type in terminal. Once the terminal is open, well, first you want to make sure that you actually run it as an administrator, so right click on it and hit run as an administrator, and then hit yes if it asks for anything. But you want to type in this command, sfc /scan now, and this will kind of repair or verify the Windows and make sure everything is good to go. Now once you do both of these things and the verification is complete, you guys are good to go, and that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.